Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and it's kind of windy outside. If you hear the wind blowing, I'm really sorry. But we're doing top 8 yo-yos today, and these are all pretty cheap yo-yos. The one that's not cheap is bimetal, so these are fairly affordable for starters, and these are my top 8. If I can get everyone to hit the like button who's watching this video, that would be actually insane. And if you didn't know, likes get you on the recommended page, and so do comments. So those are both fairly good things to have on your videos. So if you wouldn't mind hitting the like button, if we could get everyone who's watching to actually just hit the like button, it would help me out so much. I wonder what would happen. Feel free to drop a comment, those help as well. Anyways, let's go. The entire ND series is amazing. All of their yo-yos, from the regular ND to the ND Ultra to the bimetal ND. All of these yo-yos are amazing. Their weight distribution is insane on them. And this is gonna sound kind of weird, but the bind feels to me like a marshmallow. Like, it just feels cool. And then the ND and the ND Ultra are pretty much the same, except different metals. They're all the same except different metals. But if you're just wanting to get a good starter yo-yo, the ND is probably your cheapest option. And yeah, I couldn't find the price on this one. It is the SK by SF, and this yo-yo is amazingly smooth. I would assume it's probably like $80. I don't really know. I can't remember. But it's so smooth and so nice. It's honestly one of my best yo-yos, and I'm gonna use it for competition. Recognition by Unparallel, Colin Beckford's signature yo-yo. This yo-yo is it has edges on it, but it's really good. I don't really know how to explain it, but yeah, it just looks and it feels really good for finger grinds. Finger spins it's alright with. Yeah, we have the Paulista by Yo-Yo Factory. This yo-yo is all around amazing. It's kind of like a skinnier yo-yo, but it's just like a solid yo-yo, and it's really cheap. I think it's like $40. Could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's like $40. I got some good dents out of it. The Cadence, this is a rare find. They're pretty cheap. They're like $45, but they're so good. This is my by far favorite yo-yo. They sell out so quick. So if you want to get one, you gotta get it fast. It's gonna sell out so quick. This is by SF. And last, I don't really know how people are going to find this. I couldn't really find it on any website, but it's the Satire. I think it's by Rain City Skills. I'm not totally sure. I got it at Ohio State last year, so yeah, it's amazing yo-yo, and I have like a limited edition, but it's an all-around amazing yo-yo. That's been the video. Thank you all for watching, and remember to like, and if you feel obligated to, subscribe. It really helps me out. Thank you all, and see you in the next video.